Ismisha Ben Geyer. I'm Ben Geyer. Sauna Essex a hami o hús ach hami anisha a furochaunum FIFA. I enjoy making my own fresh pasta and our hens provide eggs for the family. They also give us eggs for follican, pancakes. Sfeer holum corkerach. I love to cook and I usually make my Christmas cake in February or March. Chavaria chofata. These won't last long in this house. I work part-time in a primary school and the rest of the time I work in the woods. Bimia Chekisk, Becken Gaelics and Skull. I have family ties to Scotland, but not to Gaelic. My mother instilled a deep love of Scotland in me, and when I was 8 years old I knew I wanted to learn Gaelic, but it took me until I was 50 to get around to it. Ha mi a furach an seo golari mo ven agus mo yihish chloinia, but they're adults now and study away from home most of the time. Gonsa, Chaniel, Shin na Shar na Viamui. I love the outdoors and take every opportunity I can to get out to the hills. Leis guvel Gaelic ac amanisha, ha barach tuksha ac amer anyamanacha, agus jehayet a kielachig. For example, Corragúthach you're best to avoid because of the wind. Corragúthach means windy corrie. That's important information for a hill walker. Sin an rutas siar a cordagrum mu vi aki onsach a Gaelic. Hai mun kurst orms ans gachacha.